Hello guys, today I've come again with another trending platform which you can be using to earn money just by literally doing nothing, just by you playing the video and keep it up and doing what you're doing, and at the end you earn your little amount of money. Okay, not just little, because people make $1,000, $2,000 off this platform. Okay, so I won't say that it's a little. So with that being said, let's head to the video. So as you can see here, all we have to do is to put in your email address. Okay, there's the referral, the person that referred me. Okay, and I'm going to click on this send verification code. They're going to send the code to this email, okay, at the first space at the top. So, and then you're going to put in your password, confirm the password. So once I just click on that send verification code, this sign up button here is going to turn pop brightly. Okay, so with that being said, let me click on it. Just wait for the I'm not a robot to process. Then from there we're gonna continue. So I don't really know. Let's keep on waiting. Okay, so as you can see, all you have to do is to click on this button right here. Okay, drag it to where you're seeing that empty box, put it there. So you can see what I'm doing. I didn't work, is success. And then the code has been sent. As you can see, your timer is moving. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my email right here to see, or they're gonna pop it up the notification. Alright, as you can see there. So all I have to do is go down with my email. Click on it. So I just want to copy the code. Okay, now here's the code. Okay, copy it, and I'm gonna put it here, right here. Boom. As you can see what I just showed you. Then you now click on sign up. See your user, what did it just say? Let me see. Wrong. Okay, the password format is wrong, so I'm gonna pause this video to get this done. Okay, I finally did it. And everything is now loading. So as you can see here, it's because the QR code and address on the recharge page will be updated regularly, so please go to the recharge page to get the latest recharge address every time you recharge. Okay, alright, we get that. After reviewing of the alright, after reviewing of the beta system, data, blah 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 stuff, I don't want to go into this, it's too long. Okay, close. So as you can see here, this is the platform. Now just look at this. Yeah, these people playing in here. As you can see, they ain't playing. Okay, you can see the company partners, you can see Google Arts, you can see lots of you can see lots of partners here. Google Ads, you can see Instagram, you can see TikTok, you can see Facebook, Yahoo, Unity Ads, Twitter, Van Gogh, App Lobbing, and so on. Okay, so as you can see, pending 0 VDL, which is it. Okay, you can see trade. Okay, VDL trade, you can trade your money in here. You can see newbie tags, you can see information, the company information, you can see VDL application. Okay, and so on. So you can see the mining pool. Okay, you can see the mining pool here, you can see the subscription, you can see the invite, you can see the guidebook. All right, so you can see that there's so many things going on in here. And okay, as you can see down here, don't miss this. All right, look at this. You can see this is your profile. Okay, if you want to trade, if you want to view ads, okay, your assets and your home page. Right, so that is where we're gonna go. I don't have much time, my battery is low, so I'm gonna go charge. So as you can see here, you can actually fund your wallet. So you say hot events, no more. I don't know, let's click on this hot event and see what is in progress. Nothing ends, nothing, and so on. So You click on let's go on ads. Let's go on ads. Let's see what is going on in there. So as you can see here, daily available ads, receive revenue, receive remaining revenue. Okay, this is the ads if you have been doing the ads. Okay, as you can see, they have got Telegram channel. Okay, they've got a Telegram channel which you can go in there. As you can see here, that is the Telegram channel. So get one USDT bonus, find your syndicate and hit the road to riches. Okay, join the official Telegram channel and get one USDT free. Wow. So I'm gonna be doing this later. Okay, so as you can see here, there is no advertising value. Go to subscribe to view. Alright, so what am I saying here? Claim. Just saying claim here. No advertisement. So I'm gonna go back. Okay.
Give me that microphone.
See, there's ads that is popping up. So you can do so many things inside here. Okay, message center and so on. Okay, you go to assets. I mean, there's so many things going on here. This way you're gonna see your balance. Okay, available USDT and so on. Okay, there are so many things going on here. So you can actually earn $1 by going to their Telegram channel. Okay, I'm going to do more of this. Okay, so you can see there are people that want to buy your VDL. Okay, like 4,000 VDL is equals to 1,582 USDT. Okay, so guys, go in there, subscribe to this and hit the road to riches. Okay, so I'm going to be doing more on this when I understood it. So as you can see, I registered this. I opened this account with you guys. I'm new to it. Revenue details, I don't want to go in details about this. As you can see here, okay, you actually earn money. Okay, but first of all you have to subscribe to it. Okay, like this is subscribe. You click on it. Now all you have to do is to pay 50 USDT. Okay, and your daily revenue is 0.75 USDT. 2 times revenue. Okay, say 2-star viewers, and you can subscribe for 150 USDT, 3 times revenue. Okay, which is 2.25 USDT. Okay, and you'll be earning equivalent VDL. Okay, daily revenue release equivalent VDL. All right, so as you can see, that's what you're gonna be doing. Then after that, you now come to mining pool. Okay, you can say start mining. 100 form balance 0 VDL. As you can see here, I've got no VDL, so nothing I can do in here. So if you love what I just showed you guys, I want you guys to go in there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite call to claim, where I call you to your success. Okay, so go in there and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Thank you.